I have to install Docker. So you go to Docker download. So I'll click on the first one. Or you can just go to docker.com. So it should also bring you here. So I'll click on download desktop. So you can pick for Mac or Windows or Linux. So I'll go with Windows. So under Windows, we have AMD or ARM. So I'll go with, I'll have gone with this ARM, but I'm seeing better here. So I'll just go with the second one, which is the AMD. So it's downloading. So I'll wait for it to complete. So now that has completed, so I will come here and click on it. So I'll wait for it to come up. All right, so I'll click on yes. So I can just minimize the background like this. So use WSL instead of Hyper-V recommended. So I will leave that. Allow Windows container to be used with this installation. So I'll just leave it by default. I will not touch anything. So I'll click on OK. So I'll wait for it to complete. So you can see, you can now close and restart. So that's how to install Docker.